Mix chewing gum with petroleum jelly, and you'll be blown away by the result. So many of you have asked for more beauty hacks, and today I'm bringing you one that's super unique, easy, and fun. Imagine reusing something as common as chewing gum to create a beauty product that you typically buy. It's going to save you a bunch of money and is super fun to make. To begin, grab 4 pieces of chewing gum. You can use chewed or unchewed pieces, it doesn't matter. Place them in a small glass bowl. Next, take a tablespoon of petroleum jelly and add it right into the bowl with the gum. After the petroleum jelly, add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. I'm going with red here, but you can go with any color you love. Now, pop the bowl in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Once it's ready, carefully take it out and stir the mixture until everything is well blended and creamy. Notice the nice scent that starts to develop. Next, take an empty lipstick container, one that's been used up and cleaned, and pour the mixture in. Pop it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Buying high-quality lip balm or lipstick can be expensive, especially when they're made with the same simple ingredients you probably already have at home. And during colder months, we often need something to protect our lips, right? So what we've made is a DIY lip balm with a light candy scent and super hydrating texture. It's perfect for holiday parties, daily work, or keeping your lips soft in cold weather. Plus, it tastes like a hint of caramel. Trust me, you'll love it. If you enjoyed this hack, check out why you should never throw away your disposable razors. You won't want to miss it. Click here to watch.